Are you in search of the perfect carafe to complement your Ninja coffee bar and enhance your coffee experience? Look no further than the Ninja Glass Carafe, a beautifully designed and thoughtfully crafted carafe that promises to take your coffee enjoyment to new heights. Aesthetically pleasing design. The Ninja Glass Carafe is not only a functional accessory but also an elegant addition to your coffee setup. With an ergonomic handle and a stunning stainless steel accent, this carafe exudes sophistication and style. It's the perfect complement for your Ninja coffee bar. Brew with precision. Whether you prefer your coffee hot or iced, the Ninja 43 ounces glass carafe is designed to deliver brewing perfection. The tempered glass construction ensures that your coffee retains its ideal temperature, whether it's a steaming hot brew or a refreshing iced coffee. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee. Consistency in every cup. Say farewell to inconsistency in your coffee brewing. The Ninja Glass Carafe comes with a brew-through lid that expertly circulates coffee throughout the brewing process, ensuring even consistency from the first cup to the last. Each sip will be as delightful as the previous one. Ultimate pouring control. The carafe spout has been thoughtfully designed to provide you with complete control over your pouring speed. Whether you prefer a swift pour or a slow, steady stream, this carafe allows you to pour with ease and precision. No more messy spills or wasted drops. Durable and safe. The Ninja Glass Carafe is crafted with high-quality materials, making it a durable and reliable companion for your coffee brewing endeavors. As a BPA-free carafe, you can enjoy your coffee with peace of mind, knowing that it's free from harmful chemicals. In conclusion, the Ninja Glass Carafe is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts seeking a superior coffee experience. Its ergonomic design, elegant aesthetics, and brew-enhancing features make it a valuable addition to your coffee setup. Whether you prefer hot coffee to kickstart your day or refreshing iced coffee to beat the heat, this carafe promises to deliver consistent and delightful brews every time. With the Ninja Glass Carafe, you can pour with precision, enjoy consistent flavors, and revel in the art of coffee brewing. Elevate your coffee game and savor the rich, flavorful coffee prepared in the Ninja Glass Carafe. Upgrade your coffee bar essentials and experience the joy of a perfect coffee cup, tailored to your taste preferences. Indulge in the ultimate coffee experience with the Ninja Glass Carafe by your side.